COVID-19, the mere mention of the word evokes fear and panic. It is such a natural reaction, isn't it?
Yes, Prathna, and all the extra medical charges are surely scary for everyone's financial planning here.
I completely agree. This scenario has triggered the need among people to buy relevant health insurance as a shield against the virus.
But why exactly do we need it, Prathna? I mean, isn't it important to discuss that?
You pointed out the absolute right thing, Simran. So why don't we start today's video by discussing the need for health insurance first, followed by the tips.
That's a really good idea. Hey guys, I am Simran from ClearTax.
And I am Prarthana from ClearTax as well. Let us first find out why do we need COVID-19 health insurance cover. Point number 1, spike in infection rate. India is one of the worst affected countries in the world. What's more, the pace of infection is escalating with each passing day. A health insurance plan will not only cover the cost of the expensive COVID-19 treatment but also provide quality medical care at a super specialty hospital.
That's absolutely right, Prathna. Coming to the next one, that is costly treatment. It's no secret that expenses incurred on the treatment COVID-19 are steep with the potential to exhaust savings. An appropriate health insurance policy that covers all these costs can ease the financial burden to fight the disease.
And to complement that comes short waiting period. Unlike standard health insurance, the waiting period for the COVID-19 plan is 2 weeks. Also, the plan is valid for 1 year from the date of purchase. This means you get quicker benefits if the virus strikes along with extended protection.
That's absolutely right. The fourth one is family floater plan. The COVID-19 health plan can be bought as a family floater for individuals in the age bracket of 18 to 65 years. In short, you can safeguard your parents, spouse, and kids against the pandemic. So, Prathna, now that we know why we need the health insurance cover, let's quickly get on to the tips to buy the best COVID insurance plan. So, the first one is adequate coverage. In extreme cases, COVID-19 can reportedly cause respiratory issues and impact multiple organs. People with underlying health problems are especially vulnerable. The treatment for the high-risk category can turn out to be very much expensive. Therefore, it's wise to opt for a health policy that provides adequate coverage for COVID with pre-existing ailments.
Now, moving on to the second point, the option of insurance plans. If you don't have a family, opt for a health insurance individual plan. However, if you have dependents and senior citizens at home, choosing a family floater policy is a smart move as each member enjoys coverage for the coronavirus pandemic.
Absolutely. The third one is network hospitals. Make sure the health insurance provider has a wide network of hospitals on his roster as they offer a cashless option. Since the insurer settles the bills directly with the medical facility, it saves you the trouble of running from pillar to post to gather funds for treatment.
Considering all the panic, network hospitals are surely a boom, Simran. Moving on, focus on claim settlement record. The claim process is a vital component of health insurance policy. A high claim settlement ratio reflects the company's credibility in the market. Choose an insurer that boasts an excellent track record for reimbursements and also offers good customer support during the claim procedure.
The fifth one is keep an eye on inclusions. The COVID-19 insurance policy comes with a list of inclusion. It's important to verify that charges related to hospitalization, ICU or ICCU, doctor fees, diagnostic cost, OPD, surgical appliances, medicines, PPE kits, ambulance, post-hospital care and home treatment, etc. are covered in the health plan. Remember, when in the market for a coronavirus health plan, it's the specifics that matter.
Lastly, the waiting period. Before buying a coronavirus health insurance policy, you must check the inbuilt waiting period. While most plans come with a waiting period of the first 30 days, the tenure may vary from company to company. It is always advisable to opt for a provider that offers the minimum waiting period.
Well, let's face it, given the prevailing conditions, the need for COVID-19 policy cannot be stressed enough. But rushing and picking a wrong plan is the big no-no.
Absolutely, Simran. The tips mentioned by us can help you determine the best insurance policy coverage for you and your loved ones during the current medical crisis. Pick the best one wisely. So this was it for today's video. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance.
And also, do not forget to comment in the comment section below and stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.